Okay, what I'm talking about here is a practice internal for networks, and it's to do with Pakaranga running tracks. And so you've got the entire task there with quite a lot of information. It's quite a huge task, and I'm just trying to break it down for you. And there's a whole heap of information there and where the original thing came from. The additional resource gives you the bit of the map that counts, with the purple bits being your drink station, this being the start of the race day, this being the end of the race day, and Pakaranga College being here and a drink station there. Okay, now I've designed a GeoGebra applet where this has kind of just simplified the situation, if you like, and I think it's fair enough to stick with that simplified situation. You know, it's up to you really, but I think it's okay. I'm just going to go here, view input bar, and I don't want to show it just because that gives the whole lot can be viewed. And then I'm just going to right click on any old object, and I'm going to find that image, which is my background image, and I'm not going to show it. And I'm going to get rid of it as background and close, and then I'm actually just going to have to refresh the views to actually make that go away. So now we've got something that perhaps we can work with a little bit easier. And remember, these distances are sort of rough relative distances, they're not actual distances, if you like. Now in this case here, we could get rid of that node and just add those distances together, but perhaps that's not necessary. So if we just take that image, let's find minimum spanning tree. First maybe I should save that. Save as okay, so minimum spanning tree, how would we do it? So this is just a key skill, and we'll worry about the context of it later. So we want to take any polygon, closed figure, and take the shortest, the longest distance away. The 1.76 is the biggest in that polygon, so we can delete that link. Here we've got 1.48, 1.32, so this one here, delete that link. Then 3.52, delete. This one, the biggest one would be that one, delete. Here we've got 1.48, 2.93, 2.37, so the 2.93, let's delete that. This one here, delete. Remember, I've got to find a closed figure, so here's a closed one. 2.37 is my longest, delete. And here the 2.72 and this polygon is the longest, so I'm going to delete that. Whoops, Control Z. Something went wrong there. Oh, that node there is actually okay, so that might be a job for you. Theoretically, the 272 is that whole length, so in actual fact it should be two shorter distances, so let's just ignore that for the minute and delete that one. Okay, so down here, let's have a look. What's the longest? Here's that one, so let's delete that, and let's delete that and that polygon, and this polygon, the 3.21 is the biggest, and this polygon, then 3.01 is the biggest. Okay, now this polygon, this one here is the biggest. Okay, so that's a key skill of finding the minimum spanning tree. It's a little bit hard to perhaps see what that means in context at the moment, but it's a skill that you need to know.